Another day, another package. And dahil paluwas na tayo ng Manila, kailangan na natin bilisan to. This one is from The Home Furniture. Yes, kain po tayo. Yung panghapunan ko, pang breakfast ng iba. Spam at saka ano to? Dalawang itlog. Yes, gusto ko dalawang itlog lagi. Uy! This is JD New White Voice Box. Oh! This is nice. Ito yung nare-recordan, guys. Arala ko kung paano gamitin to later on. Next, we have this bigger box. And this one is from Xiaoguan TK. Magbukas dahil. Is really nice. Hindi ko palang mapapakita sa inyo kung paano ikabit to. Ipapaano ko na lang siguro, ipapafilm ko kay Charles later on. But lalagyan to ng mga extension at mga wires dun sa ilalim ng lamesa, either sa akin or kay Papski. I'm not so sure yet, but later on ipapakita ko sa inyo yan. Anyway, we need to get ready because we are traveling to Manila.